let's talk about the cloud. Because right now, the cloud and virtualization market is going through a huge shakeup. I'm not just talking about it getting bigger, it's changing in a really fundamental way. So today, we're going to break down what that transformation really means for you as we look ahead to 2026.
Okay, so where is all this coming from? Well, this explainer is based on the very first chapter of a super detailed report. It's called Server Virtualization and Cloud Computing Industry Predictions for 2026, and it's put out by Virtualization Options LLC. We're going to stick to just Chapter 1, which gives that big picture market overview.
You know, the report doesn't pull any punches. It kicks off with this really powerful statement, a pivotal inflection point. Now, that isn't just corporate buzz. What it really means is that the choices and the strategic decisions your company makes right now, well, they're going to have some major, long-lasting consequences.
So, what does this transformation actually look like on the ground? Here's the key thing to get. We have moved way beyond simple, predictable growth. What we're talking about now is a total restructuring of how enterprise IT itself is even built. And look, this isn't just a gut feeling. It's all backed by hard data. The report points straight to IDC forecasts that show this crazy expansion all the way through 2028. But the real story here isn't about the size of the growth, it's the nature of it. It is, in a word, transformative.
So, what's firing up this engine, right? Why is all of this happening now? Well, the report boils it all down to two main drivers, two big catalysts that are basically forcing this entire industry to shift.
First up, and this is the big one, the absolute explosion of artificial intelligence. AI workloads are just incredibly demanding. They need specialized hardware, massive amounts of processing power, and they need it to be lightning fast. And your standard run-of-the-mill cloud setup, it's really starting to show its limits.
And that leads us right into the second driver, container adoption. See, to handle these super complex, power-hungry AI applications, organizations are turning to containers in droves. And why wouldn't they? Containers package everything up neatly, giving you the scalability and the portability you absolutely need for modern apps. So you take the insane demands of AI, you mix in the flexibility of containers, and what do you get? Well, you get the end of an era. The days of putting all your eggs in one basket, relying on a single cloud provider, are officially over. This slide just captures the new reality perfectly. The report points out a huge finding. Hybrid architectures aren't some experiment for the cool kids anymore. They are the default standard. And that means every single IT strategy going forward has to plan for a mix of public cloud, private cloud, and on-premise infrastructure. What we're really seeing here is a true paradigm shift. The name of the game is no longer just lift and shift, just moving your old servers into the cloud. Today's challenge is so much more sophisticated. It's about orchestrating your workloads, intelligently managing and placing them in the exact right environment based on cost, performance, security, the whole shebang. Okay, so that's the what and the why. But now for the important part, how do you actually respond to all this? Well, the report wraps up its overview with a really clear action plan for leaders trying to navigate this new world.
The plan really comes down to two immediate steps. First, assess. You can't plan a trip if you don't know where you are, right? So take 2 to 4 weeks and do a full inventory of your current systems. Find out where the gaps are. Second, strategize. Now, this is a bigger job, maybe 4 to 8 weeks, but it is absolutely essential. You've got to build a multi-year cloud roadmap that specifically plans for AI and a hybrid architecture.
And all of this leads to the one final critical question that the report leaves us with. It's one thing to know the market is changing, it's something else entirely to actually be ready for it. So, is your organization truly prepared for this shift? And that wraps up our look at the state of the cloud and virtualization market. Just as a reminder, all these insights came directly from that 2026 Industry Predictions report by Virtualization Options LLC. Thanks for tuning in.